Download top 6 ESP32 ebooks for just $20. Are you ready to dive into the world of ESP32 and IoT projects? We've got an unbeatable deal just for you. Get 6 of the best ESP32 ebooks for only $20. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, these books will help you master the ESP32 and build powerful real-world applications. Practical, hands-on guides, step-by-step project tutorials. Covers Arduino IDE, MicroPython, and ESP-IDF. Downloadable PDF format. Learn anytime, anywhere. What's included? 1. Developing IoT projects with ESP32. Unlock the full potential of ESP32 in IoT development to create production-grade smart devices. 2nd edition. 2. Electronics projects with the ESP8066 and ESP32. Building web pages, applications, and Wi-Fi-enabled devices. 1st edition. 3. Programming with Node-RED. Design IoT projects with Raspberry Pi, Arduino, and ESP32. 4. Getting started with ESPHome. Develop your own custom home automation devices. 5. Free RTOS for ESP32 Arduino. Practical multitasking fundamentals. And 6. Practical audio DSP projects with the ESP32. Easy and affordable digital signal processing. Regular price, $600. Now, only $20. Don't miss out. Start building your own IoT projects today. Download now.